Hey, hi everyone, or should I say all my fellow data enthusiasts, curious mind and the future data pros or and the current data pros. So this is my first ever YouTube video, and I'm super excited to finally hit the record button and share this with you. Actually, I have created this channel to dive deep into the worlds of data, especially focused on the data engineering side of things. We'll try to cover the BI side also and the other aspects of data. So I'll be sharing videos on tools, technology, real world use case, and how to actually build and understand the whole data systems. So one thing on this channel you can expect the content around the latest in data tools, pipelines, building data life cycles, or the cloud platforms like Azure, AWS, and I'm also touching on Power BI like soon. It will be a bit late, but soon we'll cover that one also. And gradually exploring other areas in the data fields too, like analytics and maybe even some data science tricks along the way, right? And also like forward to introduce myself. Sorry. So my name is Raman Gupta. So I'm currently based out of Hyderabad, and I have 3 years of experience. And from the past in past 3 years of my career, I have worked on so many tools and technology. I have worked on the more than 2 companies. So the tech stack I have used so far is SQL, Python, PySpark, Databricks, Azure, AWS. AWS the only some few services like 2 3, but on Azure side I have explored almost services related to the data engineering side. GCP I haven't touched, so I don't know much about it. But it's all like if you learn one cloud platform, or so it will be easy for you to learn the others also. So I said like just I said I'm working in this field from the past 3 years of experience in the from the past 3 years. So this channel is for like whatever I have learned so far in the span of 3 years. I want to share it with our data community, and like I am also still learning with all of you. So just want to share it with all of you, right? So if you find the content of this channel valuable or exciting, please support the channel, like the video, hit subscribe button, turn on the notification so you don't will not miss anything, right? And yeah, if you want some specific topic or tool you want me to cover, sorry, so just drop it in the comment section what you want me to cover. And the first video will upload soon, and the tools I'm starting with is Microsoft Fabric, because if you see it's a trending now. Microsoft Fabric, Databricks, it's both the tools are like trending, even the Snowflake. So Microsoft Fabric, I'm going to start with all the aspects of Microsoft Fabric, starting with the warehouse, lakehouse, the real-time intelligence, the synapse data science, data warehousing, data engineering part, Power BI, data activator. So all the aspects of Microsoft Fabric I will be covering soon. So you can expect the first video on this channel end of this week, most probably. Anyway, thank you once again. Uh, like if you're watching this video, so and I also am really looking forward to this journey with you all. So catch you in the next one. Until then, keep exploring data. Thank you.